dear students. Today we are going to revise. We are going to do the revision of poem Run. Okay. So firstly we are going to read the poem and then we are going to understand this poem. Okay. See, away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrop, run neath the tree, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. This poem is written by Mary Daunt. Okay, so here in this poem, the poet says, see, he wants to tell the children that you have to play and you have to run around the tree. Okay, then in the first stanza, the poet is telling to the children to run away throughout the countryside and village where there are less buildings and more open space to play and run under the sun. See here, meadow means vast grassland with white flowers. Okay. Then in the next stanza, the poet is telling the children to run in the raindrop, means when it is raining. Okay, at the time of rain, and run neath. Neath means beneath. Okay, beneath means under the tree. Okay. Then in the third stanza, the poet says that run down the hillside, run up the lane. See here, it means lane means narrow road in village. So it means that hillside means sloping surface of a hill. Poet is telling us to run down the hillside. Hillside means sloping surface of a hill, and lane means narrow roads in village. So it means that one should run in sloping surface and narrow roads. Meadow means vast grasslands with wildflowers. So it means children should go through the grassland and go back to their starting point. Okay. Then in the fourth stanza, here the poet is saying that you should run throughout the day to the countryside far away from the city and stay happy, merry. Merry here, merry means happy. And now see, some rhyming words are there. In the first stanza, sun, see here, sun, run. Okay, trees, breeze. Hills, see here, lane again, and see here, day, away. These all are rhyming words. So this also you have to you must learn, and from this chapter question answers also you should learn, because from the poem and from the question answers we will make some tick the correct options and we are going to give you in the test. So you have to learn it very properly for your test. Okay, thank you.